What an explosive start to the week. I told you that this week is going to be explosive, guys, because the charts backed it up, as well as the Riddlers. We told you. Not to mention, the only one person on this planet Earth that called this move, not only with price but with news as well, and it was XRP. Please like today's video and share, because we'll always stay 589 steps ahead of everyone else. Thank you. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around $2.51. Let's go. We're mooning, guys, right? Beautiful pump, and it comes with news as well. But we have a lot of important catalysts for this week, guys, and we're going to be talking about the charts as well and what needs to happen for us to even go higher. So let us begin. First things first, when I see this, I'm like, yes, from Watcher Guru. Justin, White House advisor, says government shutdown likely to end sometime this week. There it is. So when will it finally end? It's this week, guys. Okay, so this week we could still see the approvals of the XRP ETFs, but I don't know when they come back online. I don't know if it's going to be the first of their priority, right, to immediately launch the ETFs. But sooner or later, guys, the ETFs for XRP will be launched, and that will, in my opinion, be marked with prices going higher, extremely higher. Hopefully, that's the case, right? And look at this, a beautiful delta for today. We know it. Now, guys, the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is called White. Interesting. Just bring it. Don't wait no more. On October 20th. Big Short tweeted about the numbers soared like unseen winds, lifting fortunes beyond reason, as if an ancient force stirred the market's pulse. What's happening today? Beautiful, but we need to let it keep going, right? It just can't stop. It could take breathers along the way, yes, like consolidate, but it just got to keep going, pumping. Now, look at this fantastic delta from Mini Archie, 10/20, today's date, right? What is that? Liftoff, right? Flying throughout the stratosphere and then to the moon, to the sun, and beyond, right? Fantastic. But David Shores confirmed it as well. Go north. I hold XRP. If there was some way I could get the price of XRP to go up, I assure you that I would do it, right? And they did it today with news that accompanied the price explosion, right? Go north. Well, XRP called it first though, right? Tweeted this out yesterday. Let's pump XRP. Let's pump it to $3, shall we? 1016 comes out to right there, guys, before the move even began, right? Okay, so we called it 100%. It's right there. The proof is in the damn pudding. So what about XRP now, right? What's next? Well, we're at a critical point in time, folks. Okay, I'll explain why. The chart that guides us, right? It, by the way, touched this level beautifully, right? I should have just 50x long right there, guys, right? But it doesn't matter. So it touched it beautifully. That was the bottom for now. That is, right? Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. But the next resistance is right now. Where we're battling. Let me remove my tweet. You guys see resistance? Oh my lord, what's going on? So resistance here. It tried to hold support there, couldn't, and then it died, right? So right now we're at a critical point in time. Here we need to hold 250 as support. Okay, as support, it needs to hold on top of this level 251 as support, because not only is it a resistance or support line on our chart, but as well as it's a psychological level due to it being $2.50. Okay, but I think it will hold up, right? Due to the USDT.dominant chart. But look at what I stated yesterday. This is diabolical. Make us explode. But when we look towards this explosion moment coming up soon, there needs to be a trigger or a catalyst that approves of it, right? So watch out for news this week, guys. If they are looking to make these cryptocurrencies explode, okay, such as break. Hey, XRP from the past, you were correct, right? Why? You knew. From Brad Garlinghouse, Ashish and team are building something special with North XRP, and news just drops with and it accompanies the prices of XRP going higher. Come on now, you can't make this stuff up, right? Aladdin is on the move. So Ripple obeyed Aladdin orders to bring out news. I knew it, right? So Aladdin is definitely the mover here, which is fascinating, right? News just drops immediately the day when we knew it was going to happen. We are proud to partner with him and proud to join an incredible set of investors, including SBI Holdings, a few others, to support Evernorth. That's a weird name, as it participates in institutional lending, liquidity provisioning, and DeFi yield opportunities for XRP worth a read below. Right? So Evernorth to go public with over $1 billion of gross proceeds. Now, this is where it gets a little bit crazy though, right? That's not it, guys. Please like today's video. Mr. Pool got confirmed to the highest orders today. How is this possible? From Esoteric King, Mr. Pool and Hello World on 10/17/2023. Hello World. This decode comes out to what? Hello World on 10/17/2023. But wait a second. Evernorth tweeted about Hello World on 10/14/2025. A delta. Hello World, the same exact thing that Mr. Pool tweeted about. Right? And they just come out with this news today. What's going on, guys? We live in a simulation, like I've been saying. Elon Musk knows that we do. Mr. Pool confirmed that we do. What else do we need to know? And that's how we keep getting these things correct again and again and again. Please like and share if you guys want to stay ahead of everyone else. It's that simple. Okay? From Chris Larson, congratulations go Ash Go Blue and the Evernorth team on today's launch. And Evernorth fills the missing link today in XRP capital markets and XRP usage in DeFi products. So he's proud to invest 50 million XRP in the firm. Wow. And then he says you may see some wallet movement on this. Exactly, because 50 million XRP worth over $100 million. Wow. Transfer from Chris Larson to unknown wallet. Now, 100 million is obviously so crazy, guys, an enormous amount for everyone except him, because he obviously has way more, but it doesn't matter. That's still a large sum that he's willing to invest because he's bullish on it. You don't just invest for no reason. You guys see how the Ripple team is awfully extremely bullish? Why? Ask yourself why. Because probably new all-time highs are coming. Not yet. Okay, we're not out of the storm, remember that. Not until we get confirmations. Okay? But wait, something unusual is happening here, because something has happened 5 days ago, right? Our LUC has shot up to $874 million, right? Or in market cap, guys, right? They're printing as well and minting right there. 1.3 million was just minted. 13, you say? Exactly. So the XRPL ecosystem is literally exploding, guys, right? We're going in the right direction here, but wait, it gets even more strange, because for Merlin XRP, Evernorth, that's an interesting name choice, right? Why are these names so fascinating? It's like everything, guys. Evernorth, right? What does that mean? Pumping the price north from David Schwartz? Come on, guys, go north, right? And we are heading north while they drop this news. Very weird. What? It's Halloween, but why does it feel like Christmas, right? Going north. Evernorth. Going north. Interesting. Right? Mirrored, I believe. Interesting. The North Star, right? A star that guides. And then, look at this. 0 north. Right? That's north in the compass, guys. But, what does it show? 0, right? The starting point. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? 0 degrees. Oh, wait, whoa. This is creepy. Capital has a new meridian, Evernorth Prime Meridian. What? So everything was given to us in plain sight, but that's why people don't listen, right? Everything is already given. The past proves the future, and the future proves the past. But they, remember, never forget, they dropped the news immediately to accompany XRP's price explosion. And I think this area will hold, and we're going to go up to 270 here. Okay? My heart is racing. I knew it. Guys, we knew it! From David Schwartz, XRP community. I promised I'll have an update on my next adventure soon, right? David Schwartz, the living damn legend! Well, here's the start. I'll be a strategic advisor to Evernorth XRP, helmed by my friend Ash Go Blue. Evernorth was founded as a regulated, scalable investment vehicle to tap into opportunities for XRP in DeFi and capital markets, extending the entire XRP ecosystem. I'm excited to get started. You guys see, they're all excited. Now, but wait a second. Right? When we talk about Ash Go Blue, it's this person right here. Remember what he stated. Believe when others do not. You guys remember? Believe when others do not. And now, what's happening with this company is the transaction is expected to raise over $1 billion in gross proceeds, right? And supposedly, what this all means is that over $1 billion collected by Evernorth, contributed by SBI, Ripple, and other partners, right? I believe they're gonna buy XRP off the open market. I heard. I couldn't find a tweet. I don't even know where it is. But if that's the case, guys, they inject that money into XRP to buy it off the open markets, it's game over, right? Because the liquidity will be pouring in, and you don't need much to push prices higher, right? This is basically it's an indirect ETF. It's an ETF that has utility, basically. It's not an ETF at all, but I'm saying it's an analogy to an ETF, right? Because they're going to be using the money to buy XRP off the open markets. Odd. We knew it. Come on. So, in addition to its vision to build one of the largest institutional XRP treasuries in the world, there you guys go. They're going to have their XRP treasury, and in order for that to happen, they have to buy it right off the open market, which will push prices higher. Simple as 1, 2, 3. The formula has been set, folks. Evernorth plans to deploy resources towards advancing the XRP ecosystem as well, more broadly, such as validator participation and network security. Beautiful. Operating XRP validators to strengthen the resilience and decentralization of the ledger. We need more of that. As much of decentralization as possible. Not like the Bitcoin blockchain. DeFi integration. Leveraging Ripple's RLUC stablecoin as an on-ramp into XRP-based decentralized finance. Enabling yield opportunities and broader adoption of XRP as collateral. Fantastic. Market development, providing liquidity and participating in projects that expand XRP's real-world utility across payments, capital markets, and tokenized assets. What an explosive news, right? This is so explosive and massive that XRP must keep flying here. That's what I think will happen. It's going to go higher, right? Minimum 270. But after we cross that region, we're heading straight to $3. Accompanied by news, of course. From Stuart Alderodi. XRP has clear regulatory standing in the United States, and it's no surprise that companies like Evernorth are looking to focus on XRP. Exactly. More and more companies will jump on the XRP train, guys. The XRP rocket ship, shall I say. If they don't, they're going to get eaten up alive. Then G Treasury today as well tweeted this out. We are thrilled to announce that Ripple has agreed to acquire G Treasury. You guys see? It's happening one by one. I knew it that this week would be explosive, and we got confirmed. The fountain for today's video. Hello world, Evernorth. Like that tweet, Satoshi stated the same thing. Probably the fake Twitter a while back ago, maybe not. You guys see? It's simple as 1, 2, 3. Now, financial advice, I'm truly excited. Are you? But I am. So are we? Definitely. But it's guys, so face, see ya.